divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. Okay, so this is the given number. So to find whether a number is divisible by 11 or not, what we have to do? First we have to add all the numbers given in the odd places. Then we have to add all the numbers given in the even places. Then we have to find the difference between them. If the difference is divisible by 11 or if the difference is 0, then we can surely say that the given number is divisible by 11. Okay? Okay, come on, let us do. Sum of digits in odd places equal to 7 plus 1 plus 9 plus 0. So what is the sum? 8 plus 9 is 17. Okay. Then sum of digits in even places. Okay. So what is that? 0 plus 6 plus 3 plus 8. Okay, so 6 plus 3 9 and 9 plus 8 is again 17. Okay, so what is the difference? Seventeen minus 17 equal to 0. Therefore 7,1,69,308 is divisible by 11. Here it's coming to this one. Sum of digits at odd place. Okay, what you have? 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay. What is that? Again 1. Sum of digits at even places. So what is that? 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. Okay. So difference is how much? 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, what is this number? 1 crore 1. Okay. So 1 crore 1 is divisible by 11. Is it clear for all of you? Okay. Now let us look into the last one. What number is this? 9,01,153. Okay. Sum of digits at odd places equal to 9 plus 1 plus 5. 9 plus 1 plus 5. Okay. So what is this? 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay. Next. Sum of digits at even places. So what is that? 0 plus 1 plus 3. That is 4. Okay. So what is the difference? 15 minus 4, that is 11. 11 is divisible by 11 or not? Yes, right? Therefore 9,01,153 is divisible by 11. Is it clear for all of you? The number to be divisible by 3, the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3, right? So let us first keep this blank as x. Okay. Let the unknown number be x. Okay. So now when I add everything, 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus x plus 2, what answer I will get? 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 5, 22, 22 plus 2, 24. So 24 plus x. Is it clear? Okay. So what value if I give to x, this sum is divisible by 3. If I give 0, what will be the answer? 24 plus 0 is 24 again, which is divisible by 3. Yes or no? So 0 is the smallest number. Okay. Then look at the greatest number, greatest one digit number. It is 9. If I give 9 here, what will I get? 24 plus 9, it is 33. Okay. 33 is also divisible by 3. Okay. So the smallest digit that occupies this blank is 0 and the greatest digit that occupies this blank is 9. Okay. If x equal to 0, then 24 plus 0 is equal to 24. If x equal to 9, 24 plus 9 is equal to 33. Okay. Look at the next question. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. So what number is given here? 4, 7, 6, 5 and a blank is given and 2 is given. Okay. We have to fill this blank with a smallest number and also with the greatest number so that the number formed after that together with all these digits should be divisible by 3. Okay. So this blank space can be filled only with one digit number from 0 to 9. Yes or no? Yes. Both are divisible by 3. Therefore, smallest number in the blank is 0. Then greatest number in the blank is 9. Is it clear for all of you? Okay, coming to the next question. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. Okay. So here it is not asked smallest digit or greatest digit, nothing. But any number should come in this blank. For a number to be divisible by 11, what is the rule? We have to add all the digits of odd place and we have to find the difference in between them. Okay. Now let us do. Let the unknown number be some x. Okay. Now sum of odd places equal to 9 plus x plus 8. Okay. So 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus x. Sum of even places, that is 2 plus 3 plus 9, that is 5 plus 9, it is 14. Okay. So now difference is how much? 17 plus x minus 14. Don't consider this x, leave it as it is. 17 minus 14 is how much? 3. So 3 plus x. Okay. Some number should occupy the place of x so that when you add 3 and that number, you should get 0 or 11. Okay. You cannot get 0 here. Yes or no? Because some number should be added with 3 and if you add any number with 3, you will get the number more than 3 only. Okay. So you cannot get the answer as 0 here. So you must get 11. So which number is added to 3 so that you will get 11? Yes, that is 8. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 8. Clear? So it is already given that the number is formed, the number formed is divisible by 11. Okay, so x is equal to 8. So if x is equal to 8, only then 3 plus 8 will give you 11, and the number, therefore the number is 9,28,389. Is it clear? So that's all for today's class. Do the remaining sums as a homework. Thank you.